Have you ever wondered why your keyboard starts with QWERTY? It wasn't made for speed. In fact, it was made to slow you down. On June 23, 1868, a man named Christopher Sholes invented the typewriter. But it had a problem. If you typed too fast, the keys would jam. So he rearranged the letters. Not for logic, not for comfort, but to prevent jams. Q and W on one side, T and H on the other. Slower typing, fewer jams. And guess what? That layout stuck. Even now, phones, laptops, even smartwatches still use QWERTY. Why? Because it came first. Want the full story of the keyboard? That wasn't meant to be fast? Check out the full video.